my God. I can't believe this worked. I'm looking at the display up here. I'll show it in a second. It says passenger airbag off. And on the dash, there's no airbag light in this Subaru. The airbag light is out. It fixed it. I can't believe it. I saw a video on YouTube about taking out this panel. Let me flip this around so you can see. Okay, so here's the panel. It's up over the rear view mirror. It's got the map lights in it, okay? You know which one. All right, and right now it shows pass airbag and then off. And I suppose over here it'd be on if somebody was sitting in the seat. This even blinked fasten seatbelt light for the first time. I haven't seen that before. All I had was pass airbag. That's it. None of these other things lit up until I soldered the connections on the back of the circuit board, which you can see. A couple of pictures for you. I didn't take video because I thought, well, what are the chances this is going to work? But after you open up the sunglass compartment, there's a couple of screws up there to take out. And you need to pop this from the front here. There's a couple of hooks in the back that go up in holes, and then the whole thing flips up. So you need to pop it down from the edge closest to you and it'll pop down. Be gentle, don't break it if you have this problem. And just to show you down here, yeah, I don't have my seatbelt on, and I think one of the tire indicator, pressure indicator batteries is dead, but no airbag light. It was right about here, and nothing else across the dash. No check engine, no nothing. This is unbelievable, all because that needed to be soldered. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. See ya.